This is my skid steer. A couple months ago, this track broke. Got all the mileage out of it that it was going to give. So here in the next couple days, I've got a new track. I'll get this jacked up, get that one drug out, put the idler wheel back on the front end, just pops out. And then before I do all that, actually, I need to get in here, and I've got a plate already prepared to repair that spot where the track drug and wore through the housing. It's a good old machine. Weighs about 12,500 pounds without any attachments. Has 100 horsepower. It's just a monster. Pick up 7,000 pounds and carry it. Tracks weigh about 600 pounds each.